Namaste children. In the earlier video we learnt about the reflexive pronouns and the personal pronouns. Now we are going to learn the possessive pronouns. Possessiveness already we learnt it. This is in nouns. Possessiveness means belong. Do you have already seen that my, your, his, hers, ours, they are possessive adjectives since they are used to show possession. Is to show possession. Possession is nothing but showing belongingness. So my dog, your book, his pen, her doll, our house, their school. But in the following sentence we have used other words to show possession. That book isn't yours, it's mine. Lend her your pen. She has lost hers. He is writing with my pen. He has lost his. That house is ours. They have recently bought a new car. That car is theirs. The words yours, mine, hers, his, ours, they do not qualify nouns. They show possession and hence they are used instead of nouns. Yours means your book. Hers means her pen. They are possessive pronouns. Now we learn here possessive pronouns means what? If noun your after any noun is there, that is possessive adjective. But here that house is ours. That house is ours. So after no noun is there. So it is pronoun. That house is our house. If you say, then it is our house. If you say, then it is possessive adjective. Okay. Exercise 4. Put possessive pronoun in the blank spaces. I own the puppy. It is, what is the pronoun? I. So what possessive pronoun will come here? Mine. You own that puppy. You. So it is yours. Very good. He owns that puppy. Puppy is same. Only pronouns are changed. According to these pronouns, you have to give the possessive pronouns. Subjective pronouns. These are called place of subjective. So these are called subjective pronouns. He owns that puppy. It is his. She owns that puppy. It is hers. We own that puppy. It is ours. They own that puppy. It is his. Exercise 6. These two sentences mean the same thing. That horse belongs to us. That horse is ours. Now rewrite each sentence as shown above. Those shoes belong to him. Those shoes are his. That bicycle belongs to her. New cycle is. See, based on the noun, the verb is given here. That horse belongs to us. Horse, noun is there, single noun, so they have to use singular subject is only. In that way, you have to use the verb properly. These pictures belong to them. These pictures are theirs. This table belongs to me. This table, noun, is mine. Those clothes belong to you. Those clothes are yours. Now demonstrative pronoun, fourth one, already explained, so I am going to little bit fast. In these above sentences, those are used to point out the object or objects for which they are used. These refer to things near head. That time those refer to things lying at a distance. Means what? From you. They are therefore called demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrate nothing but indication, showing, okay, introducing, like that. Examine these words painting in color in the following sentences. All these blue color words you have to observe. And what after these pronoun, what based on this, whether this pronoun the adjective you can find out. These are demonstrative pronouns. Pakka, there is no doubt. There are only 4 demonstrative pronouns. Those are this, those, this, that, these, those. But after this, that, these, those, whether is verb is there or noun is there, based on that, we have to come to know here. This is. So then it is demonstrative pronoun. This pencil. Pencil is what? Noun. And this is pronoun. So it is demonstrative adjective. That is my book. What is this? That pronoun. As is there. That book is mine. Adjective. These are your pens. And it is pronoun. These pens are yours. Pens noun. So it is adjective. These are his dogs. So it is pronoun verb. So then it is pronoun. These dogs. Noun is there. Then it is adjective. Adjective always describes the noun. Yes. So adjective. This is demonstrative pronoun only, but describing this noun. So then that is demonstrative adjective. So we see this, that, those, these, those work as adjectives, as pronouns when they are placed before nouns. They are placed before nouns, so they are called demonstrative adjective. Exercise 7. Fill in the blanks with demonstrative pronouns. Not only pronouns. Dash is my, dash is yours. So what we'll write here? This is my book. That is yours. That is yours. Dash are ripe mangoes. These are ripe mangoes. Those are unripe. You can vice versa also you can write. Those are ripe mangoes. These are unripe. You can also here also. Generally psychologically what we use, near to we use the first, and far from we use for the second. So that's the sense I said, but vice versa answers also right. Her face is more charming than that of Sita. That face. Her face is more charming than that of Sita. That is Sita's face. The cap is white, but that is black. Dash is Mohan's pen. That is yours. This is Mohan's pen. That is yours. Okay. Now go for exercise 6. Pick out the demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives in the following sentences. Just now I said that possessive pronoun. So this kind possessive pronoun means my book. My after book is there. But possessive pronoun at the end there is no. This is my. Suppose I will say that this book is mine. This is mine. Or this is my book. If you use my after book is there, so it is possessive adjective. This is mine. If you say, then it is possessive pronoun. Here also demonstrative adjective will be, demonstrative pronoun will be based on the verb. After pronoun, if verb is there, then it is considered pronoun. After pronoun, if verb, a noun is there, then it is considered as adjective. Pronoun is acting as adjective. Exercise 8. Pick out the demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives in the following sentences. This boy was it. This is what? Demonstrative. Boy, noun. So then it is demonstrative adjective. This is boy who was late. This after what is there? Verb. Then demonstrative pronoun. Is too much for me. And this after is there? then it is noun. That is not what I should advise. So is there? Then it is adjective pronoun. These mangoes are sour. Mangoes are there. So it is noun. So it is adjective. This servant speaks French. Servant is a noun. After this is there. So it is adjective. This after is verb is there and it is pronoun. These are verb. So helping verb or the main verb, both will acceptable. Here these are is a verb, so that is pronoun. What is the noise? Noise. That their adjective, noise is there, so then it is adjective. This is a sound root help. Is there immediately after, then it is pronoun. Now go for interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns again same problem with that same also. Here, if, who, made, who, what, which, who, whose. If these words are there, these words are considered how, times how also. These are only one. Okay. Who, what, which, who, whose are used for asking pronoun used for asking question are called interrogative pronouns. These words are using to ask question, then it is called interrogative pronouns. Who, whom, whose are used. These are used for asking question about person. About person. What is used for asking question about things. Then which is used for asking question about the particular person or particular thing. Particular person or particular thing. Which is the best boy here? The particular boy. Who is that particular boy we are asking? So, which is the best book? We are asking about that particular book. Then this is. So examine the following part sentences. Which way shall we take? Then here interrogative adjective given. Why? Which after what is there? Now again same rule here also. Here which after what is there? Is verb. Then it is pronoun. Okay. Which books? Then it is not. Then it is called what after. Sorry. What after books is there? And it is considered as interrogative. Which way shall we take? Which is your plan? What books has he selected? What shall we do now? See what after the relative, the interrogative pronouns after. If noun is there, then it is considered as interrogative adjective. If interrogative pronouns after verb is there, verb or helping verb is there or modal is there, then this is as interrogative pronoun. It is very important point here. If you learn this point, you never face problem in the pronoun. So we see that many of the words which work pronouns can also be used as adjectives when they are placed before nouns. Any pronoun is placed before the noun like demonstrative or relative or interrogative or possessive pronoun. On these we have possessive adjectives as well as pronouns. When we call the pronouns as adjectives when they are placed before the nouns. Only cases, those are possessive case and demonstrative case and interrogative case. Only these three. Okay. Next, fill blanks with interrogative pronoun. Dash made a noise. Made that noise. Who made that noise? Shall we do now? What shall we do now? Is the news? What is the news? Is the merchant here and as is the Jew? Who is the mother here and who is the Jew? Dash do you want? What do you want? Dash did you? My message to whom? Here, as year 2 is there, so we have to use here whom. Broke the chair. Who broke the chair? Who is the brother's bicycle? Which is your brother's bicycle? Did you enjoy the movie? How did you enjoy the movie? Or when did you enjoy the movie also? When did you enjoy the movie? How is not there? So when did you enjoy the movie? By dash were you instructed in this? By whom? By whom you instructed in this matter? We go for exercise 10. Pick out the interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives in the following sentences. Interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective we have to. Okay, just pick out the and adjectives in the following. Just keep the tick again here. So, who killed that? Who after their verb, and then it is pronoun. Who books noun there, and then it is adjective. What shall helping verb, then it is noun. What is the matter, noun only. Which book, adjective. What books, adjective. Noun is there. Which way, adjective. Which what pictures, adjective. Why your teacher is keep writing very fast? What is it matter? No. Simple beta. If after noun is there, then it is adjective. Then what do you again verb is there? Then it is pronoun.